Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you iPhone is stuck on black screen, how to fix. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. If your screen is black or frozen, how to fix your issue? Press and quickly release the volume up button. You can see appears on screen. Press power button. Firstly, you can see not working. Simply press and release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button and press hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. It will take some seconds to wait. You can see appears on screen. iPhone won't turn on. If your iPhone doesn't turn on, follow these steps to check your hardware or charge your phone. Firstly, connect your cable to your iOS device. You can see appears on screen. Connect cable. It will take some seconds to wait. You can see appears on screen. You can see not turning on. Disconnect the plug, data cable, and press the power button, volume up button and down button at the same time. It will take some seconds to wait. You can see appears on screen. iPhone stuck on black screen is fixed. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone is stuck on black screen. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.